Where are you from? Just watch and listen. Don't worry about understanding every word. This is Rosa. Her name is Rosa. Rosa is from Guatemala. This is her mother. Her mother lives in Guatemala. Now Rosa lives in Los Angeles. Rosa misses Guatemala. She misses her mother. Rosa looks far away. Rosa remembers. Long ago, in Guatemala, Rosa is a little girl. Her mother makes chuchichitos. Her mother teaches her. They make chuchitos together. Little Rosa eats a chuchito. Chuchitos are Rosa's favorite food. Rosa is sad. Rosa goes outside. She walks. She smells food. The smell says, "Come." She knows that smell. She sees a food truck. Look, a flag. It is the flag of Mexico. The truck sells tacos. Tacos are good. But Rosa is not from Mexico. Rosa walks again. Then Rosa hears music. She knows that music. She sees a small cart. It has a blue and white flag. Look at the flag, blue and white. It is the flag of Guatemala. This is Natalie. Her name is Natalie. Natalie sells chuchitos at the cart. Chuchitos are the food of Guatemala. Look, chuchitos. Rosa's favorite food. Natalie asks Rosa, "Where are you from?" Rosa says, "I'm from Guatemala." Natalie says, "Me too." Rosa eats a chuchito. Rosa has a new friend. Her name is Natalie. Now Rosa is not sad anymore. Now I will ask you some easy questions. You can answer yes or no, or you can just listen. This is Rosa. Her name is Rosa. Is her name Anna? Is this Anna? No, it isn't. Her name is not Anna. Is her name Rosa? Is this Rosa? Yes, it is. Her name is Rosa. Rosa is from Guatemala. Guatemala is her home. Is Rosa from Mexico? Is she from Mexico? No, she isn't. Rosa is not from Mexico. Is Rosa from Guatemala? Is she from Guatemala? Yes, she is. Rosa is from Guatemala. Guatemala is her home. This is Rosa's mother. Her mother lives in Guatemala. Does her mother live in Los Angeles? Does she live in Los Angeles? No, she doesn't. Her mother does not live in Los Angeles. Does her mother live in Guatemala? Does she live in Guatemala? Yes, she does. Her mother lives in Guatemala. Now, Rosa lives in Los Angeles. Does Rosa live in Guatemala now? Does she live in Guatemala? No, she doesn't. Rosa does not live in Guatemala now. Does Rosa live in Los Angeles? Does she live in Los Angeles? Yes, she does. Rosa lives in Los Angeles now, but she is from Guatemala. Rosa misses Guatemala. She misses her mother. Is Rosa happy? Is she happy? No, she isn't. Rosa is not happy. Is Rosa sad? Is she sad? Yes, she is. Rosa is sad. She misses her mother. Rosa sees a food truck. Look at the flag. Is it the flag of Guatemala? Is this Guatemala's flag? No, it isn't. It is not the flag of Guatemala. Is it the flag of Mexico? Is this Mexico's flag? Yes, it is. It is the flag of Mexico. Green, white, and red. The truck sells tacos. Tacos are good. Is Rosa from Mexico? Is she from Mexico? No, she isn't. Rosa is not from Mexico. Rosa is from Guatemala. Rosa hears music. She knows that music. Rosa sees a small cart. Look at the flag. Is it the flag of Mexico? Is this Mexico's flag? No, it isn't. It is not the flag of Mexico. Is it the flag of Guatemala? Is this Guatemala's flag? Yes, it is. It is the flag of Guatemala, blue and white. Is Rosa happy now? Is she happy? Yes, she is. Rosa is very happy. This is Natalie. Natalie asks Rosa, "Where are you from?" Rosa says, "I'm from Guatemala." And Natalie says, "Me too." Is Natalie from Mexico? Is she from Mexico? No, she isn't. She is not from Mexico. Is Natalie from Guatemala? Is she from Guatemala? Yes, she is. Natalie is from Guatemala too. She says, "Me too." Are Rosa and Natalie friends? Are they friends? Yes, they are. They are friends. New friends. Rosa eats a chuchito. Chuchitos are the food of Guatemala. Is Rosa sad now? Is she sad? No, she isn't. Rosa is not sad now. Is Rosa happy? Is she happy? Yes, she is. Rosa is happy. She has a new friend. Now you. Where are you from? Rosa has a new friend. Rosa is happy. The end.